In this video, I'll guide you through how to download a Webex recording video. Whether you're trying to save a recording for future reference or just want to keep a local copy on your device, this simple process will help you achieve that. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to access the Webex User Hub. This is where all your Webex recordings are stored. Open your web browser and navigate to the Webex User Hub. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Recordings. This is typically found in the menu or dashboard area. If you don't see a recording section, it might be because you're not using a premium account. Unfortunately, only premium Webex accounts have access to this feature, so you'll need to upgrade if you want to download your recordings directly. Assuming you have access, click on Recordings. This will bring up a list of all the sessions you've recorded. Take a moment to find the specific recording you want to download. The recordings are usually listed with the date and time of the meeting, so it should be relatively straightforward to locate the one you need. Once you've found the correct recording, click on it to select it. After you've selected the recording, you'll see an option to download it. Look for a button or link that says Download. Click on this, and your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location on your device where you'd like to store the recording. It's a good idea to save it somewhere you can easily find later, like your desktop or a specific folder dedicated to Webex recordings. Once you've decided on a location, confirm the download and the recording will begin saving to your device. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully download your Webex recording and keep it for future use. This can be incredibly helpful for reviewing meetings, sharing with colleagues who couldn't attend, or keeping a record of important discussions. Just remember, if you run into any issues accessing the recordings, it might be worth checking your account type to ensure you have the necessary permissions. I hope this guide has been helpful. Downloading your Webex recordings is a simple yet powerful way to make sure you have access to your important meeting content whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.